All right, so here we got Bitcoin on the 1 hour on Bybit. As you see, we cracked down a bit. We did fall below this pattern, and looks like we came back up for a retest and resumption down. Now, RSI, bearish control zone, MACD, either we're going to get a retest or a crossover as of now. We are printing a dark green bar on the histogram, but it just started. So, and your vol seems like it's contracting a bit, but that's also as the price action's going up. So it could just be a corrective bounce. Bullish and bearish case here. Bullish case is that this was a fake out. And if we get back above the 21 on a 1 hour closure, I would say that this was a fake out. And then I would expect us to come up to this 50 in this purple region and come back to it from there. And also that would include us getting out of the bearish control zone, this MACD crossing bullish to the upside, printing a few dark green bars on the histogram as your vol and BBWP start to expand. So we're going to find out whether this was a fake out. Right now we are being held down by this diagonal trend line. So the bearish case is that we break this last wick at basically the 28K mark. Like we were talking about, that was going to be our next support. Next level I would be looking at would be the 26,500 mark. That would also imply that we get deeper in the bearish control zone. This MACD is just a retest and resumption down. We start printing consistent dark red bars on the histogram and your vol starts to expand again. So pretty quick update. I really don't have a lot of time today. Sorry I didn't get the video out this morning. Probably could have got some people ready for this move, but we got it out right now. Just kind of crunched for time right now. And let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum has got waxed. Yeah, I mean, we fell. All our moving averages rolled over, fanned out. For some reason my drawings ain't loading. There we go. So look where it went to. 1500 on the dot. We've been talking about this level since way up here. 1500 on the dot. Deep in the bearish control zone. MACD. Looks like trying to get across here. Printing a dark green bar on the histogram, but it could just be a corrective bounce. We could just bounce right up to the 21 and resume down. Your vol is pretty high. It's contracting a bit, but as you're getting a little bounce. Yeah, I mean, it's not looking good. In order for us to even remotely be bullish, we need to get back above this 21 on a 1 hour closure. Then maybe we could come up here to this VPVR level and the 50 at about 1660 region. That's if we get above the 21. We break 1500. Next level I'm looking at. See, yeah, now we need to figure out what our next level is going to be, because 1500 was the last one. Well, actually, that we already made our measured move. So we haven't been here in a while. Let's zoom out to the daily. Let's go ahead and refresh. Zoom out. So yeah, the next level I'm looking at is $1,000. Period. And that's if we break 1500 on a daily closure. Break 1500 on a daily closure, I'm looking for $1,000. And it's as simple as that. I mean, it's pretty short for Ethereum. It's not looking good, but we have made our measured move of the descending triangle. The descending triangle that we talked about did play out, and we've hit 1500 on the dot. We break 1500, $1,000 is in the cards. If we can get back above, actually, I would like to see us get back above this daily 21 at 1880 region. I would like to see us get back above even 1900 in order to become bullish again. If that happens, I do think we would come up to the 50 at 2110 region. But we'll find out. Right now it looks more bearish than bullish. This could be our way down to the bottom. Now, I'm not saying that the bottom is in. I'm talking about Bitcoin and the rest of the market here. This could be it. This could be our way down. You know, we were talking about possibly 35. We didn't get that. Unless this is one big bull trap or one big bear trap, but it's not really looking like it. Now, it is a possibility. Everything's a possibility. So we'll find out. Let's move on to Solana. Solana just kind of working its way down like a snail. You are in the bearish control zone, deep in the bearish control zone. Look where we bounced off. This channel has been respected this entire time. We've been following this channel this whole way and calling the moves out. Pretty nice. So if we do keep falling, my guess is that we come down to $26. Zoom into the 1 hour. Deep in the bearish control zone. MACD coming up for a retest. Vol contracting as the price action gets a bounce. I mean, if anything, we could come all the way up to the 21 at 35.30 and still get rejected. Bullish case is that we get back above the 50 and this purple region at 37.50. Then I would expect us to come all the way up to this next purple region after a minor rejection at the POC, point of control, in the VPVR. Now that is like a 20% probability. What's more likely is that we break this last wick at 33.13. This is the bearish case. Stay deep in the bearish control zone. This MACD just gets a retest and resumption down. Starts printing dark red bars again on the histogram. And we work our way down to, let's say, between $25 and $26. And that's what I'm looking at for the market right now. If you guys are liking this video,